Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I will talk about how to first time set up your internet connection. If you have a phone, fax machine, analog modem, or other phone devices in this location, plug it into the side of the splitter that is labeled phone. Plug the other end of the DSL cable into the DSL port of your modem. Modem installation telephone line and splitter. Install the DSL splitter in the right position as follows. 1. Unplug your phone cable from the wall socket. 2. Plug the DSL splitter labeled line into the wall socket using the wires and splitter supplied in the modem box. 3. Plug the phone cable, which is connected to your telephone, into the splitter port labeled phone. 4. Plug the phone cable from your modem DSL port into the splitter port labeled modem. Power. 1. Plug the power adapter in your power outlet. 2. Insert the power adapter wire into the modem power input. 3. Allow up to 5 minutes for booting. Modem configuration. Confirm that your line is connected and your modem is ready for configuration. 1. DSL. LED on the modem is lit solid green. 2. Internet LED on the modem is flashing or solid green.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.